is something that Tiruvannamalai is really doing to me right now. It's strong masculine energy, the energy of Shiva. That's what they say, that Arunachala, that mountain, that is Shiva. This is Shiva in his physical appearance, like in this physical reality, or his manifestation. Maybe this is how I understood it right. So there's this strong masculine energy, and the energy of the protector, the energy of the father, and also the teachings here, they have a strong masculine energy. So they're a little bit different from this compassionate, loving way, which I personally would have preferred so much more. Yet I can learn so much. I can really learn a lot from these people here. Even though I have these defense mechanisms, I'm learning to quiet my mind and understand that even that is coming from my mind. Even the question which I want to ask the teacher is coming from my mind. And that if I really want to connect to the person, which I use questions for, to connect with the other person, to understand where they are at and where I'm at, and merge our views. And that's today in the satsang which I went to with Ganga Ma. I was just like, I'm just gonna be quiet and listen. She's right. Yes, I can raise my hand and there's, I don't know, 40, 50 people in the room, and so I can start to interact with her, to show my interest in the topic. But do I really need to? Or would that be again be a satisfaction for my ego, for my mind, trying to rationalize things? They keep saying here this one sentence that in Tiru, you will learn how to drop the mind into the heart. To drop the mind inside the heart means also just whatever thought comes, to drop it. Just drop it. Don't try to become more loving. Don't try to be more conscious. Just drop it. Just stop. Just do it. It's hard? No. It's easy. Just drop it. It's a very absurd concept to begin with. But it's starting to sprout its effects. My mind becomes more quiet here, and I don't have so many questions to ask. And I have loads of questions normally. Somehow, yeah, just to be, just for a moment. That's sometimes even enough. And then you will see. Everything will take its own way somehow. Without you doing anything. It just happens. Om Namah Shivaya.